Hello students, this is Vinita. Today I will explain you or I will tell you the summary of the chapter The Browning Version, a story by Terence Rettington. So I am telling you about the writer. Sir Terence Marvyn Rettington, CBE, was a British dramatist. He was one of the England's most popular mid 20th century dramatists. His plays are typically set in an upper middle class background. He wrote The Winslow Boy, the Browning version, The Deep Blue Sea, and Separate Tables, among many others. He was born on 10 June 1911, South Kensington, London, United Kingdom, and he died on 30th November 1977, Hamilton, Bermuda. So, I'm telling you now, I am telling you about the play, the Browning version. This play is an extract of Terence Rettington's play, the Browning version. It is an excerpt. So, the beginning of the play is that it is the last day of the school. While all other students have left after school time, Taplow, who is in lower fifth standard, has to stay behind. He has been given extra work to do because he had been ill for one day during the week and missed one class. His teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris, has told him that he would come at 6:30 and see the work done by him. It is already 6:40 and Mr. Crocker Harris has not come yet. And Taplow, he is waiting for him. Another teacher, a young teacher named Mr. Frank, comes here. He sees Taplow waiting for Mr. Crocker Harris. He tells Taplow that he should go because Mr. Crocker Harris has not arrived so far. But Taplow does not dare to do that. Each and every student of Mr. Crocker Harris class they are very much afraid of Mr. Crocker Harris. Frank feels jealous to see that students hold Mr. Crocker Harris in such fear. He encourages Taplow to make fun of Mr. Crocker Harris. In the meantime, Mrs. Crocker Harris comes there. She says that her husband has gone somewhere and it would take him quite some time to come back. She asks Taplow to go and play until Mr. Crocker Harris comes. Still, Taplow is afraid to go. She says that she will take the blame on himself and sends Taplow to a chemist's to get some medicine. Clearly, the chief purpose is not to get the medicine but to help the poor boy enjoy freedom for some time at least. So now I am telling you about the character sketches. First of all, John Taplow. Taplow is a teenager, a lower fifth grade. He is in lower fifth grade. He is a student of science. He is a student of Mr. Crocker Harris. His conversation with Mr. Frank gives a wide view of his character and also the character of Mr. Crocker Harris. It tells about his likes and dislikes. He wants to specialize in the subject of science. He dislikes arts. He has a strange attitude towards Mr. Crocker Harris. He presents his views about the latter in very frank and straightforward manner. Frank. Frank is a young science teacher. He shows a better understanding of students' behavior and psychology. He is humble towards students. He has a friendly attitude towards his students. His conversation with Taplow shows that Taplow is very comfortable discussing the matter with him. Even though Frank is easy in his attitude, he is not of the kind who will appreciate sarcasm on fellow teachers. He quickly points out to Taplow when Taplow gets too carried away mocking Crocker Harris. Now, the main character, Crocker Harris, although he is not present in the play, but he has been described. He is highly disciplined and principled. Crocker Harris was a teacher who would not compromise on the rules and regulations to suffice sentiments of the students. Some may agree with his way of thinking, others may criticize of being too fastidious. He is a teacher who has hard on students when it came to studies. He was not those teachers who would crack romantic jokes in the class to make studies fun. Rather, his jokes were poor, according to his student. Taplow, as not a single student was able to comprehend them. Millie. Millie Crocker Harris is Mr. Crocker Harris' wife. She is a thin woman and is in her late 30s. She dresses herself in smart clothes. She sees Taplow imitating her husband's voice, but she takes it lightly. She finds Taplow waiting for her husband. So, this is all about the main characters of the play and the summary of the play. I hope that you might have got it. So, goodbye and good day.